How to fix Telegram not sending code. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can fix Telegram not sending code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you're trying to log in or create a Telegram account. You tap the start messaging option, but when you try to log into the account, it will ask you to verify your OTP. But let's say you're not being able to verify your OTP over here, and it says that we've sent the code to the Telegram app. So first thing you have to check is that you will not get the code directly on your messaging app, because sometimes Telegram is going to actually send the code not to the messaging number but to the Telegram app where your account is actually already logged in. Because if Telegram notices that if there are any other devices logged in, it is going to send the code to that. So if you have access to those devices, you can select that. But if you don't have access, then here you'll find this option called didn't get the code. You can tap on it, and instead you can just try to get it via the SMS. Now in case this message comes up and you don't have the option to get it via SMS, the other thing I'd recommend you do is just simply download another version of Telegram from Play Store that is called Telegram X. So you can just go ahead and type in Telegram X, which is also almost similar like Telegram. Once you install the Telegram X app, the Telegram X app does have the option to receive code via phone number if you're not being able to do so. And after you log in on this app, when it says to check on other devices, you can check on that specific devices to log into your Telegram account. Sometimes, let's say even you have the option of SMS, but you're not being able to actually go ahead and then get the code. In that case, I don't recommend you try from the same process. Just exit the Telegram app and then long press on it over here. Then just tap the app info option, go to app info, and then just go to storage and cache. Clear the cache files. Make sure to also clear all of the data over here, as you should be able to see. Once you've done that, open up your Play Store again, check if the Telegram app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these helped you solve the problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.